Morning. Today we are at CD Muffler. If you guys have ever anything about the Muffler man in San Antonio, that is Robert. But today we're gonna do the muffler delete on the X5 because it sounds cooler and the baby likes to fall asleep better when there's exhaust noise. So I will be back as soon as the car gets on a lift. So been coming to Robert for 7 years now. He's the boy. There's a reason why everyone comes to Robert. He's the best in San Antonio. I think that looks really good. I think my chick will like it. You think she'll like it?
Where are you gonna want it? I love it. He's truly an artist when it comes to this shit. So, yeah, I'm gonna let him do it.
You're the best. Alright, so I am back home. Shout out to CD Muffler, my boy Robert. Go check him out if you're in San Antonio. 1303 Bandera Road, that's where he's at. But yeah, Lorenzo's here. Goofy head.
Yeah, very goofy.
We've got a couple things to do. So one, angel eyes out on that side, so we're just gonna replace them with LEDs. Fender liner is out on this side.
Ooh, which
We
I didn't get.
Yeah,
I didn't get.
we'll get that.
And these just right here, so
yeah. So we'll get the fender liner that we need.
take off the hideous dip.
There's this
Faster dip.
nasty tape
Yeah,
that
the
we
tape.
guys showed you guys when we went to go look at it.
Yeah.
It's all just residue, so
Yeah.
it'll all come off.
Except this,
And I'll
right?
show you.
Or is it? Oh
No,
no, that's
residue too.
Except I don't know what the hell. Like that's
That's
like from
tape.
the duct tape, right?
Yeah, that's the duct tape itself. So let me go get the wheel that I need for that. So I'm going to pass the recording on to Lorenzo. I'm going to set the tripod for him and let him replace his control arm. Kind of set it up so you guys can see what he's doing and not be in his way, hopefully. But it's not very hard to do. I rave about this shit all the time. Totally awesome. You can get this shit at the fucking Dollar Tree for $1. Dead ass. It is the best thing ever. It is getting the glue off like it's nothing over there. The duct tape glue.
Oh really?
Like, this is working better than the glue gun. And $1.
Yeah, I love it.
Jesus Christ, dude. Look at that. That's a bad bushing.
That is a bed.
This one is, oh yeah, this thing has like, look at that. Out with the ode, in with the eBay.
Get up close and personal. So that's a what, 18mm bolt,
Yes.
and the nut is what?
On which one, though?
The one you're at.
It has a box end. I forgot
Oh,
what-
okay.
I
So you
forgot
just
what
need the
thing.
bolt.
Yeah, you just need the.
And then for the ball joint side, it's 21mm.
21, and you're gonna need a Torx 40.
T40
T40,
Torx.
yeah. For the.
Got the new arm in here. So it's good boy. It's torqued to spec. The bottom one is 122,
That one is 74.
and this
on the
is
subframe.
74 on the subframe. So there's that. I did get the tape situation figured out. All the duct tape pretty much gone. Like I said, this stuff works fucking wonders. The best ever. So we're gonna keep doing that. I still gotta get to the door.
Want to do that at?
This.
We'll just there.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm gonna
So-
spray it down with Glue Gun, see if it helps.
Gonna try spraying it with Goo Gone. Get the
But
power
mine
washer.
fucking- mine exploded.
It does work still.
Huh?
Should still work.
Oh, I didn't even see that. Just trying to look over. Let's see if this works.
suppose this is the best way to do it without buying the shit, but
And how long does it sit again? 30 minutes?
yeah, about 30 minutes.
I'm gonna let this sit for. I'm caking that bitch on, but want it to eat.
Sir.
We'll let that sit for 30 minutes and then we'll come back. So, be right back. All right, so another, like I said before, angel eyes are out. Did get these bad boys. It comes with longer screws. It's got the resistors so for the bulb out warning. It also has this adapter, so if you want to run the switchback with the angel eyes, you've got that option as well. All right, so to get to the angel eyes, it's gonna be this black box right here under, and you're just gonna get a flathead to pry under here, and then there's one on the top too that you pry out, and that's how you access it. So I'm gonna go get a flathead and I'll be right back. All right, that's the cap.
This isn't gonna work for today.
So this top one, you push it down, and then the bottom one, I mean, it's basically the same thing. You push it up. You just undo these. Get your T15 socket or a screwdriver, whatever you want to use. They are right there. So you see, get these bad boys out. There's one on each side, and you go from there. All right, so here's the housing when you take it out. Here's this screw. This is the old bulb shit, and then you get the new one, and you see how this doesn't go all the way in. So what their fix is, they provide longer screws with a big washer essentially. Okay, so you can still use the black screw, I guess. That's what you're supposed to do. So now that is back in. You just connect these bad boys into here, and then we'll test it. What do you?
You should just put the key in, put it into the on position, and you turn on the light.
Should be on right now.
Yes, sir.
Right? So, yeah, those are on. So here is the old. So this is the old angel eye, nice and yellow and disgusting. Not that this is any better, but at least it's white and
It won't have the light on the dash.
it just looks better. It looks better than the incandescent bulb. That's pretty much it for right now. We're gonna work on getting this off. I'm not too hopeful on it. I'm
I agree.
pressing X for it out still.
I agree. Just had his rag and it comes right through it off.
Oh shit, actually pretty decent. Okay, so he's gonna keep working on that. But in all honesty, I think that's pretty much it for today's video. I don't want this to drag out for fucking forever. So, ending it there. Everything else that we're doing is pretty much just whatever I did to that side, doing to this side now. And then finishing up the tape removal. And we're good to go. Thanks again for watching. Oh shit. That's not too bad. Yeah. Thanks again for watching. And we'll see you guys next time. I think I might do a video tomorrow. I'm not going to say what it is because I'm probably not going to go. So, yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Later.